Okay, this is an overview of the Sado library. Here I've downloaded the library. I'm going to go ahead and change the name of the connection file. I'm going to want to edit the connection file, put in database credentials to connect to the database, and just a database name that will show up in logging if it's used. Down here in this example, we're going to be using an ORM example, so I want to include that class. And I also want to register this connection so it can be used in ORM. And I just want to add the name of the connection. So we can save that, and our connection is set up. For this example, I'm going to pull data out of a users table that I have set up here, just user ID, full name, email, and it is active field. So say I wanted to load user number 2. This is very simple with ORM. First I'm going to set up a user class and I want to extend the ORM class. First thing I want to do is initialize the class. Which is required from the ORM class. First I want to tell it the name of the table I'm using, which is users. I want to set the primary key, which is user ID. And then I want to add the other fields. I don't have to add every field. However, if I leave one out, it won't be accessible through the ORM object. So I can just save that. Okay, now to show this example, I'm going to create another. Edit that file, and I want to add the connection class, or the connection file, class and connection registration that I set up in the connection file. Now I can create my example script here. So I'm going to call it users.php. So I need to get my user class. I can create a new user. And again, I want to load user with ID 2. So I'm going to tell the user object to load ID 2. And to test it, I can say full name is user full name. Now the ORM class object will automatically set the property full name with the field full name. So now I can go and load this example, and there you go. Editing or updating data is also easy. After the user's loaded, I could change full name. Commit the data, save that. I can refresh, another name will show up here, and it's also going to be changed in the database. And that's a simple example of how Sado library works with ORM.